Welcome. When you've seen this video, you know this message is meant for you for today. Today's reading, I want to focus a little bit on this week. What is your week going to look like? So, using our special spread, the week spread, we will be diving into how your week will be looking like. It's not necessarily how I place the cards like what the day is specifically gonna look like. It's just the general aspect of what to expect. So let's see one more card. So now we have 7 cards. Let's see what we can expect from this week. The King of Swords in reverse. It's an obstacle that you will be overcoming. It's an obstacle that you will be overcoming in this week. So, something that is coming over from last week and now moving in with you in this new week, which is okay. It's going to be a tough start, but I do feel that you will, at the end of this new week that you're watching this, and when you are seeing this video, you will get an opportunity to overcome this obstacle. Justice in reverse. Someone has been treating you quite unfairly. They have been, I don't want to say mistreating you, but they haven't been treating you accordingly. And on your part, I feel that it's a bit unfair. It is unfair. It definitely is unfair. But like I said, at the end of the week, I really do feel you will overcome this obstacle and this barrier. You will find a spontaneous and creative way of not getting back, but dealing the cards that has been handed to you, you are going to give it back to them. That's the feeling that I get. So I feel you will have a better understanding once there's a clear communication between you and this person in question. They will, hmm, yes, they have been treating you unfairly, but because you are such an amazing person and your personality shines through every obstacle that has been presented to you, you will find a creative way of evening the fields without getting your revenge or hurting anybody or anything like that. The Emperor. Thinking creatively and thinking like a boss, thinking like someone who is in charge of their destiny and their this they are not seeing this you're not seeing this as an barrier or a problem. You are seeing this as a possibility for a solution. So your week isn't starting as great as you want it to start, but you are dealing with it. You are finding ways to deal with it. Shuffling the cards, I see you are playing your cards well. It's a game of poker that you will be playing. You've been handed a little bit of a shitty hand, and that's okay. But now you're getting into the groove of finding a clear path ahead. This person did you wrong, but it's going to roll off your back. I feel it's going to roll off your back like water off a duck's back. It's this motto that you are replaying over and over in your mind, which is actually quite beautiful. You are thinking of this, like I said, you're not thinking of this as another problem for you to solve. You are thinking of this as another lesson to be learned. You are seeing this as an opportunity and not a barrier. You are literally thinking like a boss. The Queen of Wands in a reverse. At the end, this person who did you dirty, they will kind of regret it at the end. They will see that what they have caused you has now been a opportunity you've created. You've made this into an opportunity for you for reaching for better goals, the things that they really couldn't get, and they were trying to push you down, but you didn't allow them. So at the end of the day, you got out of it in a victorious way that made them feel like a low class citizen or lower level. It wasn't your fault thinking process. It wasn't your fault the first time to push this person the same way that they have pushed you, but you have done it in such a way that it cannot backfire to you. And like I said, at the end of the day, you you're gathering life lessons. You're building on your wisdom. The Nine of Wands is wisdom that you are building on. You are creating, not destroying. You are creative and instead of destructive. Your week may not have started the way that you wanted to start, but it ended in a high note so that it feels completed. It feels like it has been handed off and it has been cleared, and the roster has been moved in a way that is beneficial not just for you, but for the future you as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, have a wonderful and a blessed day.